Hello guys, this is me, Kawi Damar A. Abubakar, and this is my sister, Amira Zen A. Abubakar. Let's eat. Hello.
Kasama, ito ang Brigada News FM. Brigada News FM. Brigada
Eat now. So guys, stop. We will see you in part 4. Bye bye. No reaction. No reaction. No reaction. No reaction.
Kaya patuloy akong lalaban sa buhay. Ako si Chris Gasco, isang sandigan ng pamilya. Salamat sa Power Cells. Power Cells, Herbal Capsule.
Bye-bye.
Dahil ikaw ang